Saturday, just got done with the kids' football game. My dad's out at the fucking Snowgoose fields right now, saying they're fucking everywhere. I'm gonna jet down there, see if we can get some snow geese this afternoon. If it's decent, it's supposed to be a storm coming in, so we'll probably head back out there tomorrow morning too. If I need to, I'll tie the two videos together and you'll see tomorrow at the same time. Hang tight, we'll be there in a minute. Honk. There's a duck. These ones are pretty high. That got exciting for a little bit. Well, hopefully this rain holds off for a bit. Got nasty there for a while. There. A ton of birds just sitting out there. And they're flying back and forth. A few shots at them passing by. Got one down. Dad's got three. Dead. Not really. Huh? Yeah. Hey. Well, Dad decided he was done for the day. He picked up all the decoys and he's headed out. There's still birds flying. I just missed one that flew by. Wasn't even that high. I don't know how I missed it. 3 shots. Flew away. I'll probably give it another half an hour, 45 minutes. They're still flying around here and there. Gentleman across the field just knocked one down. See if we can get any more. Stay tuned. Irritating as all hell when you got birds running your decoys and then somebody's shooting at geese a mile high. Scares all the other birds and about enough to piss you off. Sit out here patiently waiting for one of these birds to make a wrong decision. They're all making the right decision so far. Nothing coming over here. Ooh, okay. Oh man, it got cold. Now one of those geese made the wrong decision. They all stayed over there, and I was over there. So didn't really work out in my favor too well, but we're gonna head home and we're gonna get some jerky on the marinade. Stay tuned. So just so you guys can see, those are all snow geese sitting out in that field. Thousands of them. Fuckers know where they're safe. I just found out I was going through the whole process and I wasn't even filming. It's alright. I got one more. Easiest way to do this. I haven't even plucked the feathers. See that? Feathers are still there. Grab a hold of the skin underneath the feathers. Make an incision. Don't cut yourself. Stick your thumbs in there and just peel that skin back. I'll show you the drumsticks in a second, but anyway, you got the breastbone right here. I don't know if you can see that. And just make an incision either side of the breastbone, and just nice and easy. Fillet meat right off the bone. Get around the wing right there. There's one. One little fillet. Really makes me wonder how the people at McDonald's fillet out their breasts and their chickens so quick. But anyway, okay, here's the drumstick. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, really, it's about as big as my thumb. There's not a whole lot there, so I'm not wasting a bunch of meat. Got all that. All right, guys. See you. I don't know if there's a cat crying. Well, I did the hard part for you. Got all the boring shit out of the way. Got the jerky in the mix. Ah! Well, I hit my boys. Anyway, got the jerky in the marinade. We'll get it cooked up tomorrow.
You're busted.
Busted. Anyway, that took a weird turn. But I got the hard parts done, so we don't have to worry about that. You don't have to watch me do the boring stuff, you know, cutting up the meat, mixing the marinade and stuff like that. We'll come back tomorrow, put the jerky in the oven, show you guys the finished result. Stay tuned.
No, she's just a big girl. She's good.
All right, that's it. Out of that whole batch that I just made, that's all that's left when I get home from work. I took a little bit to work and my kids just mow it. Love that stuff. So, if you want to know how to make it and you want all the ingredients and all that stuff, I did do another video, so you can go back. I'll link it in the description below. Just go ahead, go back, click on that video, I'll show you all the ingredients, the process, and of how I make my jerky in the oven there. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get me up to 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there, pushing 800 or so. Get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do another giveaway. So, hope you enjoyed, guys. Remember, start fresh every day. Peace.